Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HONOR X6b. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in the Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now click open and click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad. And now click allow and click consent. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.